Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a small, wild amphibian, often found near water. Some of them are poisonous while some are not. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as frog. Frog. Feel the sound of letter O in between. Frog. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as frog. Frog. Feel the sound of letter A in between. Frog. If you enjoyed learning about frogs, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.